I say hello, everybody. Afton here, and welcome to another video. Today we have Wilford in the background. Hmm. Idiot. Now then, today we have a couple of, three important guests. We have Brakevan 1, Brakevan 2, and Brakevan 3. All of these guys. Why is he pink? I just made him gray. Good. No, I don't want that. So, today we have these engines, well, trucks technically, and how I made them was I grabbed a troublesome truck, I took a brake van, and I removed the face off the troublesome truck, which any face you want. I just used all these free random faces because these are fair well my favorite. And these guys are all really cool with how they work, because they're actual brake vans and still work like ones. Just now, you have these guys. So today I'm making the video on how to do that. So then, follow me, everyone. Need to turn this off. So, I'm going to show you how to do it, just in case you don't understand. Now then, so you're going to take the troublesome truck face that you want. So I just kind of just chose a random, as you can tell. Okay, okay then. Remember, always anchor your troublesome truck. Not like me, who forgot to do that. Even though I'm a professional modeler here. Okay. You're going to take the face that you want, which I just chose this one, because why not? You're going to move it all the way over here, place it onto your brake van, which, to be honest, he's kind of a cutie, and you're going to take this and you're going to press control while clicking on the parts, and you're going to click on this and the running board. Now you're going to weld these all together, and then you're going to control T, and while holding these faces, you're going to control G. Now, not only the fact is the brake van put all together, but if I am correct, it should work. And that is, my friends, how you make a working brake van troublesome truck, or a non-faceless troublesome truck. We're going to be testing these on Wolford. The idiot doesn't even know what I'm doing. That's the reason why I won't stop talking. Idiots. I already told them too I was using a microphone. Yeah, no. The idiot always. Oh, I'm so tired of him. Now then, we are going to be taking this brake van and putting him onto a thing. For fun, just to amuse him, to make him mad if anything. Now then. Now then, that was my video on how to make the non-faceless rolling stock. And look at this cute little face, how could you not love him? So if you're going to make customs like this in the future, I always suggest using the best faces that you like, and remember, this is always for fun, never for anything else. Now then, I think the video is mostly done, so it's true, he has been in loads of videos, but you're always so annoying during them. You never stop talking, and then when I'm trying to explain what's happening, you start raging out. You start raging out of the reason why I'm. That's not nice. Well, you know what isn't nice? Goodbye. Now then, that's going to cut it for today's video. I love you all. Thank you for. I love you all. Thank you for watching. Peace out. I love you, and goodbye.